I was born with a heart murmur, and that means whenever my heart is beating, sometimes my mitral valve gets stuck open, and the blood drains through my heart instead of pumping through my heart, and it just makes it really uncomfortable, and doesn't really make me feel very good. Typically when you have a heart murmur, they don't really like you going on planes because that can affect it, and it can make it kind of act up. And I am called to missions, and I've known that since I was 8, and so that was going to be an issue. If I wasn't going to be able to get on a plane, I was going to do it anyways. It would just be uncomfortable, and so I have been on planes, and it's acted up a little bit, but not too bad. And then I'm a really active person, and I like to go jogging and hiking, and when I would go, I would get to a certain point and I'd push myself, and it would start to act up. And the problem is, when it acts up like that, it can get stuck open for up to a month, and that's really, really uncomfortable, and it makes you feel kind of sick. So basically I just needed healing, because that's going to be an issue in my life when I like to be active and I'm going to be doing missions. Those don't mix very well. So they prayed over me, just kind of a general prayer, just to heal me from head to toe, heal my heart, and strengthen my heart. And as they were praying for me, I just felt this warm, like, gentle feeling on my heart that I normally get when I'm speaking with God, but it was just like, it was overwhelmingly warm. And I was like, oh, I think I'm healed, I think I'm healed. And so they were like, really? Like, how can we test it? And so I was like, well, the only way I really know is if I'm running or if I'm being active. And they were like, okay, so let's run around the church. And I'm like, okay. And so they take me outside and we just start jogging around the church, and as I'm jogging, I feel nothing. Like, it feels just normal, like if I had never had that problem before, and which was just a relief, and it was just awesome, and I didn't expect it, and it was really awesome. It was really cool. Well, I am going to be doing YWAM next year, so I will be on planes, which will be awesome. I won't have any pain while I'm flying, and with YWAM, I mean, you're really active. I'm going to be overseas. I'm going to be in Maui for a little while, and they have, actually in the program that I'm going to be in, they actually require you to go jogging and running every other day, and you do like a P90X program. So like, that may have been harder for me, and that just opens up like a whole new door, like window of opportunity for me. So it will be really cool. Total freedom.